Beautiful blue and gray home decor ideas. Calm and timeless interior inspiration. Now, there's something effortlessly calming about blue and gray interiors. Cool tones, soft contrast, and a quiet sense of balance. Together, these colors create spaces that feel peaceful, elegant, and timeless. Today, we're exploring blue and gray home decor ideas. Simple ways to bring this calming palette into your space. So just take a moment, relax, and let these rooms inspire you. But before we get started, welcome to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. And don't forget to check the description box where I've gone ahead and curated a super cute little list of blue and gray ideas that you can get and bring into your home. So to start with, let's talk about why blue and gray work so well. Blue is often associated with calm, peace, serenity, while gray brings a balance and a sense of neutrality. Together, they create a palette that feels both soothing and sophisticated, not too bold, not too plain, just right. Now, blue and gray living rooms create a space that feels inviting and relaxed. It's a space that someone can walk into and instantly feel chilled, super relaxed, and at home. A gray sofa paired with blue pillows, or a soft blue accent wall with neutral furniture. These combinations feel balanced, not too feminine, not too masculine, just super easy to live with. So now, let's talk about bedrooms that feel like a retreat. In bedrooms, this color palette becomes even more powerful. Soft blue bedding, gray walls, layered textiles. These elements create a space that feels restful and calm, almost like a quiet escape at the end of the day. It's like having your own personal retreat. So there's one other thing that some people don't take full advantage of, and that's adding warmth to cool tones. One of the keys with working with blue and gray as a color palette is adding just a little bit of warmth in there, whether it's in the form of natural wood, woven textures, even some soft lighting. These elements keep the space from feeling too cold, too sterile. Balance is what makes the design feel complete. Let's talk about textures and layers. Now, texture plays a big role in bringing these two colors to life. And when I say texture, I'm referring to linen curtains, soft rugs, woven baskets, or even some layered fabrics. These details add depth and make the space feel even more inviting. One thing we haven't spoken about is lighting and metal accents in a blue and gray room. Now, lighting helps shapes the mood of the room, really any room. And warm light softens the cool tones of blue and gray because that is a pretty cool type color combination. Now, lighting helps to shape the mood, while metal accents like brass or black finishes add contrast and a touch of elegance. Now, technically, silver does blend in with these shades as well as brushed nickel. But since we have two shades that are already really cool, I would kind of caution against that. But at the end of the day, I always say it's your room, your home, you decorate it the way that you like. Lastly, let's talk about minimal and modern styling. Because blue and gray interiors often lean towards simplicity. So that means clean lines, open spaces, and very thoughtful and intentional decor choices. Instead of filling the room maximalist style, focus on what truly matters. This creates a space that feels very calm and uncluttered. Okay guys, so here are my final thoughts. Blue and gray home decor isn't about this bold statement. This isn't maximalist. This isn't eccentric. This isn't Hollywood Regency. This is about quiet beauty, spaces that feel calm and chill and balanced and timeless. A home that welcomes you and invites you to slow down and sit down. Now, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Home Decor 101 for more relaxing decor inspiration and design ideas. And let me know in the comments, would you decorate your home with blue and gray? I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.